Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Antimicro controller. First, download and install the Antimicro software from its official source. Once installed, ensure you run the program as an administrator for proper functionality. Then, simply connect your gamepad, whether it's an Xbox, PlayStation, or generic USB controller. Antimicro should detect it automatically, displaying its buttons and axes on the interface, ready for mapping. Now let's dive into mapping your controls. In the Antimicro window, you'll see your controller's layout. Click on any button or joystick direction you wish to assign. A virtual keyboard will pop up, letting you select the corresponding keyboard key, like W for moving forward or spacebar for jumping. For mouse controls, you can assign movements, left or right clicks, and even scroll wheel up or down to different controller inputs, giving you full control. Antimicro offers powerful advanced features. You can create macros, which are sequences of keyboard or mouse actions, to be triggered by one button. For example, a single press could execute Shift+L for a flashlight. Fine-tune your analog sticks and triggers by adjusting dead zones, perhaps setting them to 0 for instant activation, and modifying sensitivity for smoother movement. Remember to save your unique configurations as profiles, allowing you to easily switch between different setups for various games or applications. Antimicro is incredibly useful for playing PC games that don't natively support controllers, transforming your gamepad into a versatile input device. You can enhance your experience by setting up auto profiles, which automatically load your preferred button layouts when a specific game or application launches. If you encounter issues, always ensure Antimicro is running as an administrator, verify your controller connection, and close any other conflicting input software like DS4 Windows or Steam's controller settings. This ensures smooth and reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.